Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we started the foundation. Chapter name is alkali metals. General characteristics of alkali metals we discussed, and electronic configurations also we are discussed. Okay. The valency shell in first year group elements are s orbital. In s orbital, s orbital is a valency shell. In that, valency electron is there. Okay. General electronic configuration is ns1. It is a noble gas ns1 general electronic configuration. N is equal to, where n is equal to 2 to 7, and generally first year group elements, that means alkali metals, these all elements are metallic in nature. That's why, or we can call the alkali metals. These all elements are metallic in nature and are called alkali metals. It is because their hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. Here, last class someone asked about the strong bases or alkali. What is the meaning of strong bases or alkali? Here we are discussing the first year group elements. They are having metallic in nature. They are metals, and we can call the alkali metals. Why we are called alkali metals means, already what is the alkalis? Already I explained. Okay, why we are called alkali metals means, it is because their hydroxides are strong bases. Hydroxide. How will we form the hydroxide? When metal react with water, when metal is dissolved in water, it will be produce the hydroxide, corresponding metal hydroxide. For suppose sodium is dissolved means sodium hydroxide, and potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, like that. Okay, magnesium is a second year group element, that is a different, but generally I am explaining about the hydroxides, how it will be formed. Okay, here their hydroxides are strong bases. That means first year group elements hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. They are strong bases or alkalis. Strong bases means which are alkalis means which bases are soluble in water, that bases are called alkalis. So these hydroxides are strong bases or alkalis. Now today I am going to discuss about the general trends in atomic and physical properties. General trends in atomic and physical properties. General trends in atomic and physical properties. Here, what is a general trends? General trends in atomic and physical properties. All the alkali metals exhibit a striking resemblance in their physical and chemical properties. All the alkali metals exhibit a striking resemblance in their physical and chemical properties. It is because of their identical configuration, that is ns1 in their valency shell. It is because generally alkali metals are resembles in their physical and chemical properties. Alkali metals are resembles in their physical and chemical properties. That means in physical and chemical properties resemblance is there. Resemblance means what? They are having the similar characters. So it is because of their identical configuration in their valency shell. What is the identical configuration? Already we are discussed about the electronic configuration. In their valency shell, ns1 is there. Okay, identical. You can check all the first year group elements: lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. In their valency shell, ns1 electron is there. That's why there are resemblance in their physical and chemical properties. Some of the important physical constants of alkali metals have been given in table. Here all the alkali metals all the alkali metals exhibit resemblance in their physical and chemical properties. Physical and chemical properties. It is because of their identical configuration. Their identical configuration. What is the identical configuration here? It is because of their identical configuration, that is NS1. Once you have to check every element, their valency shell. In their valency shell, NS1 configuration is there. Their valency shell. Okay, some of the important physical constants of alkali metals have been given. The trends observed in the variation of different physical properties are explained. Okay, what are the trends? What are the trends we can observe in the variation of different physical properties? First trend is general trends. The trend observed in the variation of different physical properties are explained. So first trend is atomic and ionic radii. Atomic and ionic radii. This is the first trend. What do you know about the atomic and ionic radii?